Misguided and backward, private sector organization takes the fight to MPs as they contemplate regulating and removing some banking fees. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, back to the drawing board. Carousel sets out its next step after losing a round in court against the government.
Taking a toll, Maxfield Avenue residents tackle a recent spate of murders.
Nabbed. Cops catch a man accused of killing the mother of his child in St. Thomas.
Politically motivated, the Prime Minister responds to criticism about his recent foreign trips.
And in the Business Day Gas Tracker, the latest petrol prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Have you ever been charged a banking fee that you consider unjustified?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.